everyone, today my name is Rahim and I'm gonna be making a new YouTube channel called Rahim Fawad Vlogs. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and just comment down below what do you think of my new YouTube channel. I'm gonna be showing you my living room. So here's my couches. As you can see, I have 4 couches and 3 tables, one large one, there's flower on one, and here's a normal one. So basically, I'm gonna be doing some vlogs and challenges, dares that you guys give me. So let me just show you guys my awesome TV. And here it is, my TV. As you guys can see, it's pretty large and cool. Now next thing I'm gonna show you is my piano. Here's my piano. As you guys can see, it's kind of dusty because I haven't used it for a long time, but it's okay because I know I might make some music with this, in some of my videos. That will be entertaining and fun, not gonna lie. But that might be it for my today's video. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and tell me what you think about my YouTube channel. Bye.